Hello everyone and welcome back to another 09 Tuna Fish video, and today is day 8 of the countdown to Valguard opening day. Yes, we've got 3 days to go. I know, I could not believe it either. And as you saw in the thumbnail, today we are talking about Cyclonator. Yay! So, Cyclonator opened on the 12th of April 2021 alongside the rest of Tornado Springs. And its manufacturer is Mondial. And the ride model is just a gyro swing. The ride stats is that its height is 82 feet. Top speed is approximately 43 miles per hour. And, yes. It doesn't have any versions from what I think. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, it looks like a very fun ride, you know, because it's very cool. Yeah, yes. That's kind of all I have to say. If you did like this video, please do subscribe, and yes, I will see you in the next 09 Tuna Fish video. 3 days to go till Dragon opening day. Woohoo!